Hello viewers, welcome to Corpor Any. Today I have find out here the new app designs, online maintenance app inside like electronics, application, plumbing, AC repairings. Like this online maintenance service are the providing and this design is created by the Rahul Trailers. And now first of all need to see this here the UI designs pretty good and we need to develop inside the Flutter as well as the SwiftUI need to developing here. First of all need to try to complete inside the Flutters and then after need to start inside the SwiftUI. First, we need to use this here the app inside the five colors. Here, like these different colors, we need to use these themes are the preparing completely, and then after like this UI look showing here the icons, and inside we need to use this here the robot or regulars fonts, bolts and regular fonts we need to use. Then after starting here the UI, this is the sign up screen look like this here the showing pretty goods. Then after the create a account screen here the logins, OTP and then sign up register screen. Then after need to accounts verifications, OTP screens and account created successfully screens. And this is the app home screen, so need to show like this here the UI. First of all the searching bars, then after the list of category of the providing services, then after the advertise banners and to base offers showing these here, and here showing like this here the UI. Now then after here the book service inside the showing here the maps and select this here the which address, select here the user address and to which service are needs and to charge need to show here. And also need to given this here the rating UI after the completed jobs showing like this UI. And this is the play screens. Now need to this payment related screens need to use this here the PayPal as well as here the cash on delivery need to address service like this payment, and edit cards UI need to show here. And here also show here the pay receipt need to show here the job details and receipts related in the tax discounts and top up edits like this value need to showing here, and also showing this here the users ratings like this. And then also need to show this here the chat UI screens need to use here and look like this here the pretty good UI need to develop here, as well as need to showing this here the ratings and service UI need to show like this here. And then after the specific users ratings need to like this review and showing here, and our personal informations showing like this here. And here to download these files, to open this here the HD files look like this here the show. Now need to run here the play, and now need to create here the next. This is the play screens, this is the sign in screens, this is login screens, this is the login OTP verify. Then after this is the chat screen, then after account successfully screen, this is the chat UI send message screen, sign up screens and account verifications OTP screen. Then after the verify call screen, and this is the home screen of the app, and showing like this here the menu provided services like the select here the organize and personals which type service need to needs inside the repairs like this. Then after showing here the specific area you need to show and to list out here the plumbings and related persons need to show inside the maps, and to select these years and to our charts need to showing here, and to also need to show this here the persons informations for the related selected persons need to showing this here the calls share detail chats and more information and to payments like. And here showing this here the rating, then the users profiles need to show inside show this here the user given this here the review list need to show. Also need to showing here the personal informations, how many jobs are the completed and how many experience inside the years need to show here. And also need to showing this here the user profiles and name. This is the play screens, and this is the payment receipt screens, and this is payment screen and cash on delivery UI screen, address screens and card edit screens. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.